Hello friends, welcome to CA student. My name is Ashish and today we will discuss about the CMA students who have their exams from 27 June to 4th of July. So there are some instructions which are issued by the institute for the candidates. So first instruction is you have to log in by 9:45 a.m. and you have to log in for second session by 2:15 p.m. Okay, now the institute has provided that no candidate will be allowed after 9:30 and institute requested you to reach the center by 9 a.m. only. And for the second session no student will be allowed after 2 p.m. and institute requested you to uh, reach the examination center by 1:30 p.m. only. Okay, and now the instructions are as follows, like admit card, you have to show your admit card and identity card at the respective examination hall to the officer in charge. And then you should you must keep an government issued id, like I keep a adhaar card with me in my wallet, so you can also take a voter id card, driving license or passport or adhaar card with you. So only in the case when invigilator wants your id to confirm for verification, you have to show it to invigilator, otherwise it will not required every time. But in my opinion, you must carry your government issued card. Okay, and the next is it's an 3 hour examination. We all know that. And no negative marking in the examination. Okay, in the previous examination we saw that there were a negative marking, but in this examination there will be a no negative marking. I highlighted this point for you, so remember this and don't worry for your examination that some negative marking will be allotted. So you can those question you don't know the answer, you can just put any answer like A B C D and तुम तुक्का भी मार सकते हो, ठीक है. Then after that, in problem based question, अच्छा listen carefully. In the problem based question, जो भी अगर थ्योरी क्वेश्चन होगा तो आपको पूरा आंसर टाइप करना पड़ेगा. बट इन अदर क्वेश्चन लाइक इन प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन, जस्ट टाइप द आंसर. व्हाट इज द आंसर, लाइक 40,000, 1 lakh, 1,50,000, जस्ट टाइप दैट. ओके student, acha, remember this, candidate must not write his name, registration number on any answer answer key or rough sheet also. Don't even try to over smart your write your own name, swastik, om namah shivaya, anything in your rough sheet or any online answer key area. Okay, don't write your name and registration number, it will not going to help you out, other it will ruin your marks. So just remember this. Okay, whatever medium you have selected in your registration form, you have to follow that. Okay, candidate, acha, most important, candidates must not change their seats, because the seats and roll number are allocated with the system. So any whatever invigilator provided you the system, don't change your seat. Okay, institute also instructed you that check the email spam box and SMS and website of institute regularly during the examination, because any notification will be updated on the SMS or website or email. Okay, after that, okay, I have already, I think this is for the timing. Key, no student will be allowed, permitted to exit the hall before 11 a.m. for the first session and 3:30 for the second session. You have to sit for at least this time period. Okay, मोबाइल फ़ोन इज़ अलाउड, कोई भी मोबाइल फ़ोन ना लाएं अपने साथ, कोई भी स्मार्ट वॉच भी नहीं चलेगी. लाइक दिस, आप स्मार्ट वॉच नहीं ला सकते, बिकॉज इन दिस स्मार्ट वॉच आई नो कि हम लोग चीटिंग बहुत ईजिली मार सकते हैं. सो जस्ट अवॉइड दैट. And because if you take a mobile phone or smart watches with you, any report against examination, and this is a rule violation, सो डोंट टेक इट। वॉशरूम के लिए परमिशन ले लेना, दिस इज समथिंग, ठीक है। बाकी कोविड-19 की आपको गाइडलाइंस फॉलो करनी है, लाइक सैनिटाइजर ले जाना है, अपना मास्क ले जाना है, N95 और वट एवर सर्जिकल मास्क यू हैव, सो जस्ट टेक इट। एंड it's a 3 hour examination I told you, and you are under surveillance, so कोई भी ऐसा काम मत करना, अदरवाइज आप मतलब रूल्स वायलेट करोगे और आपका पेपर चेक नहीं होगा या फिर नेगेटिव मार्किंग, बहुत इश्यूज होते हैं। अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग, these points are interconnected. Candidate must submit their rough sheet to the invigilator. आपको रफ शीट उनको सबमिट कर देना। Okay, no student is allowed to carry on your own rough sheet. Don't bring your own rough sheet from your home. The invigilator or the teacher assigned there, or the officer assigned there will provide you the rough sheet, and after completion of examination you have to submit it back to the same invigilator. Now now the next point is, while candidate must be careful while clicking or reset button. If you face any difficulty in your examination, just contact your invigilator observer at your spot available. Other relevant instruction will be given in the instruction part of the digital question paper. These are the only journal instruction, so read it carefully. I have already read the important points carefully with you, so just remember this, and all the very best for the examination. Whatever you have prepared yet, don't ever स्टार्ट विद मगअप और स्टार्ट विद न्यू थिंग्स। जो भी आपने अभी तक पढ़ा है उसको रिवाइज करें, जो भी नया आप अभी देख रहे हैं उसको रिवाइज ना करें, क्योंकि पेपर में बहुत हार्ड हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अभी बहुत कम टाइम है। और बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करें, जो भी आता है बस उसको अच्छे से रिवाइज करके जाएं। कभी भी ये ना सोचें कि मेरे को ये नहीं आता, ये नहीं आता। फोकस करें कि आपको क्या आता है और उसको अच्छे से पढ़ें, अच्छे से पेपर में अपीयर हों। कभी भी पेपर से जब आए तो किसी से भी पेपर को डिस्कस ना करें, नेक्स्ट पेपर के लिए बैठिए, नेक्स्ट पेपर को प्रिपेयर करिए, बिकॉज ये जो 27 जून से 4 जून आपकी जो एग्जामिनेशन है, ये टाइम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसके बाद मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये जो छोटा सा 1 हफ्ते का टाइम है ना, ये आपकी लाइफ डिसाइड करता है। इसके बाद तो कितना भी टाइम बीत जाए वो कोई मैटर नहीं करता। सो ये टाइम में आपको अच्छा अपना बेस्ट रिवीजन देनी है और पेपर कभी डिस्कस नहीं करना, आते ही नेक्स्ट प्रिपरेशन में लग जाना और अपने ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन। मैं यही चाहूँगा, मेरी ब्लेसिंग्स भी आप लोगों के साथ है कि आपका पेपर अच्छे से हो। सो इसी के साथ मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। जय हिंद।